Good morning, everyone. I once again welcome you all to the lecture series on drug abuse problem management and prevention. Today we will discuss about prevalence of drug abuse with special reference to Punjab. Drug abuse is one of the serious health problems faced by India. Changing cultural values, increasing economic stress, and low support system are leading the youth into drug abuse in India. Thus, India is caught in vicious circle of drug abuse and alcohol abuse, and number of drug addicts are increasing day by day. Thus, it is an alarming situation for India. It is the largest business in the world next to petroleum and arms trade. Drug abuse is complex phenomena which has various aspects such as cultural, social, psychological, the disintegration of the old joint family system, absence of parental control, and care in modern families where both parents are working, decline in religious and moral values can lead to rise in number of drug addicts who take drugs just to escape from the hard realities of life. Drug abuse in Punjab. Punjab is a land of five rivers. It is a place which has been blessed by gurus, peers, and warriors of nation, but now crying in agony. It was one of the most prosperous state of India, which has been labeled as breadbasket of India. But now Punjab is fallen into the trap of drug addiction, and its incidence is increasing day by day. Punjab accounted for almost half of the cases registered in India under Narcotic Drug Psychotropic Substances Act in 2013. Also, ignorance of the government and society fueled this problem. Drug trafficking and trade is common in some of the regions of Punjab. This table shows the percentage of households affected by the drug abuse. In Majha, it was 61%, in Malwa, 64%, and in Doaba, 68%. This is a recent study done in Chandigarh by the Institute of Development and Communication. Also, alcohol, smack, heroin has been replaced by traditional drugs in urban areas. Near border areas, the rate of the heroin abuse among 15 to 25 years of the age is as high as 75%. According to the Department of Social Security Development of Women and Children, 67% of rural households in Punjab have at least one drug addict in the family, and uh, there is one death due to drug abuse every week in the region. The cause of this issue can be linked back to the agricultural history and also to the modern day to day stressors, which are related to rapid change in the new lifestyle. Apart from this, peer pressure, depression, loneliness, unemployment also play a huge role. Statistics of drug abuse in Punjab. Drug abuse statistics shows that Punjab annually spend more than 7,000 crore on drugs, according to AIMS study, among which 6,000 crores was spent on heroin alone. Near 70% of the Punjab youth is addicted to heroin, smack, cocaine, and other drugs. According to Narcotic Control Bureau report, 50% of drug related cases of the country are from Punjab alone. The Punjab Opiate Dependence Survey, which was conducted in 2015, found out that 230,000 people in the state were drug users. Not only Punjab is affected by the drug abuse, but also alcohol abuse. In 2013, Punjab consumed 330 million bottles of alcohol, which equates to 12.15 bottles per citizen. This figure shows that Punjab forms 44.5% of total convicts in India. Punjab figures among top 5 states with higher drug seizures in India. Current drug addiction statistics. A major chunk of the Punjab youth is on drugs. Majority of the drug addict are in 18 to 25 age group, which indicates that it is dangerously serious for young people. Each week, a single death occurs in Punjab due to drug addiction. Addicts are dependent on traditional drugs like raw poppy husk and synthetic drugs, which are available from the neighboring countries like Himachal Pradesh. The impact of the drug abuse is so much that the state government has categorized it as national problem. Drugs once given to the laborer but being used for the recreational purposes can lead to drug addiction. And during the Green Revolution in Punjab, the migrant laborer farmers they came for work for the improvement of the development of economy, and the landowners used to give them raw opium just to encourage them to work harder. Children as young as 12 years of the age are also involved in drug trade. Recent study indicates that HIV infection has been increasing in Punjab. This is due to the rate of injectable drug users. The national prevalence of HIV is 9%, but it is 26% in Punjab. Drug abuse has negative impact on the society. It can lead to increase in crime rate. Addicts resort to crime to pay for their drugs. Drugs remove their inhibition and impair their judgment power. Addiction also increases conflict and causes emotional pain for every member of the family. The damage to physical, psychological, moral, and intellectual growth of the youth is very high. These statistics gave an insight into how serious is the problem of drug abuse and alcohol abuse in Punjab. This was all about the prevalence of drug abuse. In the next video, we will discuss about brief introduction of stimulants. Till then, take care. Thank you.